Hi, this is Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan with a quick COVID-19 legal update. Today, the governor of Virginia issued a sweeping stay-at-home order, and I want to make sure you know what's in it. For most of us, nothing has really changed since yesterday. You can still go to work if your work is open, which it isn't for most of us. Schools are closed. You can still go shopping for food, gasoline, other necessaries, but most shops, most businesses are closed down. What has really changed for us is that you are now ordered to stay at least 6 feet away from every other human being who isn't a member of your family or a member of your household. That's a big deal. You're also not allowed to gather in groups of more than 10. In any case, the really big deal for most of us is this. Previously, the governor's order was only going to take us through April 6th, but it is now going to take us through June 10th. As I film this, that is more than 2 months away. Our economy is going to be badly hurt. For many, many people, this is going to be a tremendously difficult time because it means that we're not going to get back to work for at least 2 more months. School is definitely closed through the end of the 2019-2020 school year, and you're simply not going to be able to see your friends and family as easily or as readily as you once did. This is going to be an unprecedented time in American history, at least during the lifetimes of almost anyone who can watch this. Nothing like this has happened in 102 years. It's important to remember that during an emergency, the governor of Virginia has the ability to issue orders which immediately have the effect of law. Violating the governor's order is a Class 1 misdemeanor, and it carries with it a penalty of up to a year in jail and up to a $2,500 fine. So this is very serious. For the most part, police are not yet being very aggressive about this, and that's mostly because the citizens are voluntarily following these rules. As things get harder and harder on people, we may find that some people are less willing or less able to follow these rules, and there may be some tougher police response. I recommend to everybody that you follow the rules, you do whatever you can to get along until this is over. It's simply going to be a difficult time that most of us, I think, can't even really imagine, even after having been stuck in our homes for several weeks now. A stretch of 2 months is really hard to conceive of. There are places around the world that are being hit much harder than the United States is right now, and there we see some much more aggressive policing. Italy, Spain, and China, of course, are the countries that I'm thinking of. That sort of policing could become necessary here if people don't voluntarily follow these rules. So I strongly suggest that you do just that. All right, folks, I don't really have any legal insight here. I just want to make sure that everybody knows what the rules are. If you have any questions about this or any other area of the law, please feel free to call me. I'd be happy to talk to you. And you, stay safe.